If your Netflix recommendations look cluttered or you want a fresh start with a clean viewing history, you can easily reset everything right from your Netflix app on your iPhone. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Netflix profile history using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Netflix on your iPhone. Tap on the profile that you want to check the watch history of. From the bottom, go to My Netflix tab, tap Account from here. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Data Settings. Tap on it. After that, tap on Viewing Activity. Here you will see your entire Netflix watch history. To reset everything at once, scroll to the bottom. Now tap Hide All. A confirmation message will appear. You just need to confirm your choice. This clears your full history and resets your recommendations, but Netflix may take up 24 hours to fully update. That's all you need to do to fully reset your Netflix profile history on your iPhone. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.